What can you do to be happier? We talk about this all the time, and it seems like as a goal that for most of us, it's a pipe dream to be happy. But I promise you that it's much closer than you think it is to live a happy, satisfying life. I'm Dr. Sol Smith. I have degrees in writing, in education, in psychology, and I can walk you through this process smoothly. Our biology is working against us and our social constructions. We have evolved from a difficult place and we have brought with us lots of traits that aren't so helpful in our modern society. Our modern society also helps us to point at the wrong things for our happiness, but we can separate this stuff out and we can work a lot smarter than we've been doing. I bring to the table ancient wisdom, the latest positive psychology and neuropsychology to take a look at what works for people and what lets people maintain a happy, positive day. And I'm going to arm you with daily practices. There's not a lot of assignments going on here. There's no quiz for happiness. There's no litmus test for how happy you are or what your potential is. But with daily practice, you too can learn how to cultivate happiness and how to stay there. So join me. We can do this.